Okay guys, it is Wendy Hardnack with the Hardnack Farms, and step one of the farm restoration. See, look at all that nasty Bermuda. So anyway, we cut back the peach tree quite a bit. We still have a lot of pruning to do on it, but making room for all of these. This is going to be so neat because then he'll drill a hole in that, put the irrigation through there. We are going to fill this up right here with the black plastic. Black plastic's going to go down in here all the way up. It's going to attach to this wood, and all that horrible, nasty, wretched Bermuda will be choked out, and then I will be able to grow. I'll have nice soft soil. And so this is just step one. But isn't it gorgeous? We're still working on it. And we're still getting these fruit trees pruned. So here's the beginning. And I can get these tubs out of here, and then those can be in secure location around the farm to where they can grow some of the roughwood peppers and tomatoes and stuff in different locations. So anyway, I took the fencing out and cut back the asparagus, and the leaves are really in there good, but I guarantee you now that asparagus is cut, the wind will blow those leaves out. That's all chives. I intercrop those. So for the raised bed for that row, we'll have to start right here. And then it'll go the perimeter of the farm, inside the fence, I should say. Each row, all the way down. Now, my fruit trees have been seriously neglected for quite some time, and so now we're pruning them back. These buckets will be out of here, raised beds will be going in, Bermuda will be choked out, and this girl will be, I mean, completely ecstatic. You just can't farm with Bermuda. So I'll take that fencing out and I'll get all that yuck off the bottom. And anyway, just the beginning steps. Just wanted to show y'all. And we'll get the tractor in here and scoop up most of the rest of that rock right there. Then I'll bring the blueberries on down, because here in Oklahoma I grow them in mainly full shade. The sun just cooks them. There's some owls. We have a bunch of owls around here. And so it'll be really nice. I got a few more blueberries started in the greenhouse. This will shut. It's locked up. I gotta run into town. Get the coffee grounds. Just stay in daylight longer, so it's a lot nicer. Those little tubs will be filled up. All the little planters will be full. This farm is gonna look amazing. Ooh, it may be time to ground that in there. Nice little cover crop to add some nitrogen. Anyway, look at the sunset. It's gorgeous. Big changes coming to the farm. I'm so excited. I am so excited. All right, guys. It's Wendy Hardnack with Hardnack Farms. Wanted to just show you one of my new raised beds. I'll catch y'all later. Have a blessed February. It is Sunday.